This is from the Philippines. And I have a question for Sir Naldo Parado. Hi, sir. I believe you're the right person to be asked. And so I'm addressing this question. And the question is, what do you think is the best motivational tool that I can use to help my fellow men who are grieving right now because they lose important people in their lives because of Typhoon Katrina, especially the kids because at their very young age they already lost their parents, and I can really sympathize. I can sympathize in them because I know how hard it is to live in this world without